Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FPHandmade, and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. This is envelope 3 and 4 of today's Destashes. It's hard to say that sometimes. So my Destashes are PayPal only, friends and family, USA only. Must be at least 18 years old. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation. You're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. So today's Destashes are $40 ship, priority flat rate mail. So they're $10.45 for shipping. And so the Destash is, $29.55. So roughly that's $1.50 for each item. And there's at least 20 items in the bag. So let me show you. Destash number 3. So we're going to start off with this sweet little Miss You stamp. This penny black Crafter's Companion, scrapbook.com, Altenew, and this one is I don't know what CS. What's CS? I can't think. I can't think what it's called, but here it is. And then a couple of embossing folders, and a Griffin, and my favorite things stamp set, spellbinders, great for masculine cards, Altenew, Fun Stamper's Journey, and this one is red rubber, Honeybee stamps, and this does come with a die, Pink Fresh Studios, Amuse Studios, and this is red rubber, Stampin' Up, it's red rubber, this Big Shot die, and it's a Stampin' Up, and it's florals. This die set from Anna Griffin. This Dina Weekly stamp set, and it is red rubber, I believe, too. Sorry for the noise there. It stamps really nice. I don't know about you all, but red rubber really, I think, stamps better than clear. And then from the Greetery, this stamp set. Now, it is discolored. I used some new Catherine Pooler's stamp pads, so I was very disappointed that they discolored this. But, of course, they still work well. So that's Destash number 3. Man, I'm having a hard time saying Destash today. So this is Destash number 4. So this is Spellbinders. And this is Lawn Fawn. And then this one is Hero Arts. Spellbinders from back in the day at Hobby Lobby. Oh gosh, Tuesday Morning. Lawn Fawn with the little stamp set too. Hero Arts. The Stamp Market. And it has a die set too. Maybe Made It. Spellbinders, Crafter's Companion, Cuttlebug, and this is a little Darcy, I think, yeah, Anna Griffin, and this is Dare to Be Artsy, Stamp It Up, sorry, and it's red rubber, another Stamping Up, Daydream Medallions, Altenew, embossing folder from Sunny Studios. It's cable knit. Honeybee stamps. It's a stamp set. And so you can see I tried to sell a lot of my items at a crafters. It was kind of like a garage sale for crafters. And I just didn't do very well this year. So I am trying to do a good blowout sale here. So it's Altenew. So all of these are for envelope number 4. And it's $40 shipped. And it's all you get with the step set, die set, die. So if you're interested, it's PayPal, friends and family. U.S. only, must be at least 18 years of older. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of the email confirmation. And email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. Once again, $40 ship. Bye.